No matter what I do, I don't feel anything. I hurt myself. Doesn't hurt.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Hey guys, hey, today is the day. Oh guys, I'm so late. I'm getting ready to go to school right now, and I am very much late. Hey bro. Guys, I'm very late, and this camera has been giving me problems this morning, so I just like, let me not vlog anymore. Like, like, why am I even vlogging? But I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys. Hey guys, the background is very messy because I'm getting ready and it's chaotic. Hey bro guys, I'm sorry, I'm just checking the time, you guys. I am very late. Yo, Matimo. I would be lying if I said I've never been this late in my life, but I am late. Anyways, I'm just getting ready, getting dressed for school. Yeah, guys, this is what I have on so far. It's very cold outside. I don't understand first. Guys, I don't understand. These are my pants. I'm gonna wear these on the road because it's very, like, it's, yo, how to explain this? Guys, if you are Zulu girl or you understand Zulu, you know what I'm speaking about. And I don't want my pants to get dirty, like on the first day. No. How? No, child. No child. Oh, don't mind me, guys. I'm just getting ready. Boom. That's perfect. Okay. Guys, my jersey still smells like last year's perfume. Like, that's crazy. That is crazy. But yeah, it still smells like last year's perfume. And now I'm in a new grade, a new me, new. Okay, no. It's not a new me. Actually, it's a new year. No new me. Guys, no, I don't do those stupid new me. It's just a new year. Just another year. Should I do my edges? Guys, I don't know, because like outside the weather is not weathering. But I feel like I should do my edges. Like, I don't know which earrings to pick, but like some of them are not allowed in school. So like, I think I'm gonna wear these. If they take them out, I don't know. But I'm gonna wear these because they look like studs. And, oh, Jehovah Jireh. Oh guys, the bus can come at any time. Oh, these are too big, imagine in my guys. Do they look big? They look big in the mirror, so but it's fine. Hey, so if they say they're not allowed, then I'm gonna take them out. But I don't know. Don't start, Roselle. Okay, my liner needs to be sharpened. Like, it's not cute anymore. It's not working anymore, actually. because it needs to. Guys, I don't know if I wanna do my edges or not. Yo, girl, be decisive, not indecisive, because this is annoying. People, guys, I wanted to take pictures, but I don't think that was gonna be possible anymore because I am very late and okay. Monagi now, I'm stressed out. This thing is not coming out. Guys, I did not line my lips properly, so they don't look proper. So don't worry, guys. I'm gonna fix my liner and then yeah. For now, that's it, guys. I'm gonna go. Guys, I look so cute in the mirror, but in this camera, I look like trash. I look trashy, and I don't appreciate that, but it's fine. It's fine, cause I know I look cute, and I know I look. Oh, my edges are not edging, guys. Yeah, I don't know whether to call these edges. What is this? But anyway, I'm gonna put a band over it, and then yeah, guys. Bye. I'll see you after school, ne? Bye. My bag is packed. Everything is jam-packed. I need to make lunch and then bye, lovies. That's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys okay. No, it's not. I'll be back in a minute, ne?
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow.